Hi guys. Now let us create data set for uh, static. So I'm going to create for rock paper scissor. Let me just go here and then do it. Give me a second. Okay. Mm, Data set for rock paper scissor. Yeah. Here this is going to be a static data set as we discussed. So I'll create a little here. Rock paper scissor. So let me first capture the data set for rock. Let me start the camera. So let me capture 15. So now paper. Okay. Now scissor. Mm, There might be some mistake. Let me just have a look here. I think everything is fine. Yeah, this one is a bit of miss. Yeah, now the data set is done for the static one. Yeah, this is good. Hi guys, welcome back. Now let us train the model needed. So firstly, let us train for static and then let us do for sequence. So firstly, this is the starting one. I've copied the data set. So similarly, how it is mentioned in the docs, let's just go ahead and run this. Gesto, rain, connecting, and so on. Here I'll just paste it. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Here we will have to create the Python environment and then here we will have to create the Python environment and then we will have to activate it. So as you can see, we have created the Python environment and here we have activated, installed the Gesto. It's just taking few minutes, a few seconds. Yeah, so now we have created a Python environment and now let us do the screening process. So this is the command as given in the docs. So just have a look at it. Just to read, just to range static and so on. Um, inside the reports, let us just paste the so it has taken all the data set, all the files in it, prop processor is going to train it. Here you can alter the epochs, etc. But let it go default as of now. Yeah, it has done. Now let us just detect it. So here you can see pepper, scissor, rock. So basically this is a static one. Now let us see the next one. Thank you.